Hello, welcome to the Ctrl M Health app. I'm Dr. Karen Seaback. I'm a pain psychologist and head of programs at Ctrl M Health. This video provides a basic understanding of how to find your way around the app so you can start getting closer to where you want to be. Every journey toward managing migraine is unique, which means the wellness solutions that work for you are also unique. The Ctrl M Health app is filled with strategies, activities, and guidance to help you try different solutions and identify the ones that work best for you. It will take time, effort, and patience. Behavior change is hard, especially when you're hurting. So we designed our program to be implemented gradually and at your own pace. There's a vast amount of content in here, but we encourage you to focus on one or two things at a time. This is how you build routines that last. So let's dive in. We begin with the Ctrl M Wheel of Health. These are the 6 areas of health and wellness that have the most evidence for improving headache and migraine. Don't worry if these concepts are unfamiliar right now. Our program is designed to walk you through each of these 6 health pillars. If you haven't yet completed your wellness survey, we encourage you to do so. Your answers create your personal wellness plan, which are tailored recommendations for every aspect of the program and should act as a guide for your first steps within the app. It also includes your priority pillars, which we've identified as being particularly important for your improvement. A more detailed wellness plan will be emailed to you to refer to as needed. As you see in your plan, a good starting point is our How to Create Change module. It's filled with activities that will teach you how to develop migraine-friendly habits and routines that last to increase your chances of sustainable success. This foundation will help you as you start to take on activities, beginning with the priority pillars highlighted in your wellness plan. There are 2 ways to engage with the app. You can choose to be guided, or you can explore on your own. The guided option takes you to our learning modules. These are 1-week mini courses intended to help you focus on reaching a specific small goal, because achieving small goals will help you build your way to larger ones. When you commit to a module, you will complete a self-reflection and then set your goal. Your wellness plan recommends goals based on your survey answers, but choose any goal that feels most relevant to you. Based on that goal, the app will suggest activities for you. If instead of the guided option, you prefer to explore the app on your own, you can dabble in different activities with our Explore feature. In addition to helping you build migraine-friendly habits, the Ctrl M Health app also teaches you why each strategy is important, what it entails, and how to incorporate it into your life right now. Having this knowledge helps you maintain motivation and overcome setbacks. You choose how much you want to learn. The most important part of building any sustainable routine is consistently completing activities. For that reason, the app gives you a library of over 130 different activities to choose from. There is something for everyone. You'll have the option of adding each activity to your schedule. Scheduling activities is an important part of forming new habits because it helps to keep you focused and accountable. We encourage you to create a schedule at a pace that's compatible for your life. You can see all your scheduled activities on the home page. Your schedule starts out empty. Fill it with activities you want to try and change it up as much as you want. For each activity you schedule, you'll get a notification 15 minutes prior. Each time you complete an activity, mark it complete to count it toward your progress. The Progress tab will track your completed activities and allow you to see how you are creating a multimodal wellness plan for migraine. And you can log your headache and migraine attacks, so you can see if your lifestyle changes are also changing your headache patterns. Every detail of the Ctrl M Health app is centered around headache and migraine, from the dark lighting design to the readily available relief activity, which is a targeted relaxation exercise for when symptoms strike, to audio versions of the written content, and the exportable wellness plan that can be shared with your support or treatment team. We are continually adding content and improving the app based on user feedback. Thanks for letting us at Ctrl M Health be a part of your journey toward a better life with headache and migraine. There is progress ahead.